What if you could unlock endless possibilities with just a scan? Discover the world of QR codes and their hidden potential. QR codes, short for quick response codes, are two-dimensional barcodes that store information through a pattern of black squares on a white grid. They are designed to be scanned quickly by digital devices. QR codes store data using a series of black and white squares arranged in a grid. This grid conveys information to the scanning device, which decodes it into a readable format for the user. When a QR code is scanned by a device like a smartphone, the device's camera reads the square patterns. Software then interprets these patterns to reveal the stored information, such as a URL or contact details. QR codes have several key components. Finder patterns are large squares at three corners that help scanners locate the code. Alignment patterns are smaller squares that adjust for distortion. Timing patterns are alternating black and white modules that help with data alignment. There are two main types of QR codes. Static QR codes store information permanently and cannot be altered. Dynamic QR codes allow information to be edited even after the code is generated. QR codes are used in various fields, including marketing, ticketing, and product labeling. They provide a quick way to access information, making them invaluable in today's fast-paced world. Imagine scanning a QR code at a museum to access an audio guide or using one to pay for groceries. These are just a couple of ways QR codes enhance our daily experiences. As technology advances, QR codes are becoming more sophisticated, with potential applications in augmented reality and secure transactions. Exciting times are ahead for this versatile technology. Found this introduction insightful? Hit the like button and subscribe for more tech explorations. What are your thoughts on the future of QR codes? Let us know in the comments. How QR codes store information. QR codes are made up of a series of square patterns. These patterns include finder patterns, alignment patterns, and timing patterns, each serving a specific function to help the scanning device interpret the code. Finder patterns are large squares located at three corners of the QR code. They help the scanning device locate and align the QR code for accurate reading. Alignment patterns are smaller squares that help the scanning device adjust for any distortion or rotation of the QR code, ensuring accurate data reading. Timing patterns consist of alternating black and white modules. They provide a reference for the scanning device to accurately count and interpret the data modules. Data modules are the small squares that represent the actual information stored in the QR code. They encode data using a binary system of black and white squares. There are two main types of QR codes. Static QR codes store information permanently and cannot be edited. Dynamic QR codes can be updated with new data even after being printed. QR codes have built-in error correction capabilities. This means they can still be read accurately, even if part of the code is damaged or obscured. QR codes can store URLs, contact information, and more. They're used in marketing, product tracking, and even in digital payments. What other uses can you think of? Let me know below. Decoding QR codes, the role of scanning devices. QR code scanners use a combination of sensors and software to read the unique patterns of squares. These patterns encode information that the scanner interprets and converts into usable data, such as URLs or text. Finder patterns are crucial for QR code alignment. These are the square patterns located at three corners of the QR code. They help the scanner locate and align the code accurately. This ensures precise reading of the encoded data. Alignment patterns in QR codes assist scanning devices in adjusting for any distortion or rotation. This ensures that the QR code can be read accurately from various angles, making it versatile for different environments. Timing patterns in QR codes consist of alternating black and white modules. They provide a reference for the scanner, aiding in determining the size of the data matrix. This helps ensure that the entire QR code is read correctly. QR codes feature error correction capabilities, allowing them to be read even if partially damaged. This robust feature ensures data integrity, making QR codes reliable in various conditions. Once the scanner reads the QR code's patterns, it decodes the data into a usable format. This could be a web link, text, or other digital content, instantly accessible to users. QR code scanning is used in various fields, from marketing to healthcare, providing quick access to information and services. This versatile technology continues to expand its applications globally. As technology evolves, QR codes are becoming smarter and more integrated into daily life. Innovations in scanning devices continue to enhance their functionality and accessibility. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know below. Types of QR codes, static versus dynamic. QR codes come in two main types, static and dynamic. Each type serves different purposes and offers unique benefits depending on the use case. Static QR codes store information permanently. Once generated, the data within them cannot be changed or updated, making them ideal for fixed information like URLs or text. Dynamic QR codes allow for information updates. They store a short URL that redirects to the actual content, enabling changes without altering the QR code itself. Static QR codes offer several advantages: simple and cost-effective, no need for a subscription service, ideal for permanent information. Dynamic QR codes provide flexibility and insights, editable content, trackable scans for analytics, ideal for marketing campaigns. The choice between static and dynamic QR codes depends on your needs. If you require flexibility and tracking, dynamic is best. For simple, permanent data, static suffices. Static QR codes are frequently used for business cards, product labels, and digital coupons where fixed information is necessary. Dynamic QR codes are popular in marketing, allowing businesses to update promotions and track consumer engagement. They're often seen in advertisements and product packaging. Understanding the differences between static and dynamic QR codes can significantly impact your business strategy. Choose wisely to maximize efficiency and engagement. What are your thoughts on QR codes? Let us know in the comments. Applications of QR codes in various industries. In retail and e-commerce, QR codes enhance customer experiences by linking to product details, reviews, and special offers. They streamline the checkout process through mobile payments, making shopping more convenient. QR codes in healthcare improve patient management and medication tracking. They enable quick access to patient records and medication instructions, enhancing safety and efficiency in hospitals. Marketing campaigns use QR codes to engage audiences with interactive content, such as videos, websites, or promotional offers. This technology bridges the gap between physical and digital marketing strategies. Event management benefits from QR codes through streamlined ticketing and check-in processes. Attendees use QR codes for quick entry, reducing wait times and enhancing event experiences. In education, QR codes provide students with easy access to learning resources, assignments, and multimedia content. This technology supports interactive and engaging learning environments. Transportation industries use QR codes for ticketing, tracking shipments, and managing logistics. They offer a seamless way to access schedules, track packages, and verify deliveries. In hospitality and tourism, QR codes enhance guest services by providing information on attractions, menus, and hotel services. Visitors enjoy a more personalized and informative experience. QR codes contribute to public safety by storing critical information for emergency services. Applications include access to emergency contacts, instructions for first responders, location tracking for rescue operations. In real estate, QR codes provide potential buyers with virtual tours and property details instantly. This technology makes property browsing more efficient and accessible. Real-life scenarios, QR codes in action. In retail, QR codes simplify shopping experiences. Customers can scan codes to access product details, compare prices, or even make payments directly from their phones. This seamless integration enhances convenience and efficiency for both shoppers and retailers. Restaurants use QR codes to replace traditional menus. By scanning a code at their table, diners can view the menu on their devices, place orders, and even pay. This reduces the need for physical contact and speeds up service. QR codes are integral in public transportation systems. Passengers use them to access real-time schedules, purchase tickets, and navigate transit networks efficiently. This technology streamlines operations and improves user experience. Events utilize QR codes for ticketing. Attendees receive a QR code ticket on their phones, which they can scan at entry points for quick access. This reduces paper waste and minimizes waiting times. In healthcare, QR codes store patient information, track medication, and manage appointments. Patients can scan codes for easy access to their medical records or prescription details, enhancing care and efficiency. Educational institutions use QR codes to provide students with quick access to online resources, assignments, and supplementary materials. This method supports interactive learning and resource management. Marketers leverage QR codes in campaigns to engage consumers. Scanning a code can lead to promotional content, discounts, or interactive experiences, enhancing brand interaction and customer engagement. QR codes enhance security in digital transactions. They are used for two-factor authentication, allowing users to verify their identity securely. This adds an extra layer of protection for sensitive data. Beyond typical applications, QR codes are used innovatively in art exhibits, where codes provide details about artwork, tourism, guiding visitors through points of interest, virtual reality experiences, enhancing interactivity. The future of QR codes, trends and innovations. QR codes are evolving with trends like augmented reality integration, making them more interactive and visually appealing. These updates are enhancing user engagement and expanding the scope of QR code applications across industries. Dynamic QR codes are becoming the standard due to their flexibility. Unlike static codes, they allow for data updates without changing the code itself, making them ideal for marketing and data tracking. Contactless payment systems are increasingly utilizing QR codes for secure and efficient transactions. This trend is particularly strong in regions striving for cashless economies. QR codes are transforming healthcare in several ways. Patient identification and management, accessing medical records quickly, tracking and managing medications. Smart packaging is leveraging QR codes to provide consumers with detailed product information and interactive experiences, enhancing transparency and engagement. Security features in QR codes are being enhanced to prevent fraud and misuse, with developments like encrypted codes ensuring safe information transfer. QR codes are contributing to sustainability efforts by reducing paper usage in industries like advertising and product labeling, aligning with global eco-friendly initiatives. Artificial intelligence is playing a crucial role in optimizing QR code functionalities, from improving scanning accuracy to personalizing user experiences. What are your thoughts on these advancements? Let me know below.